Hello, hi, namaskar to all the viewers of this channel who want CA students, CA aspirants to become a CA achievers. Please listen to the whatever the classes I'm taking every day with your lot of self concentration, with your self motives, with lot of love and affection, my dear students. See, in the earlier session, we have completed what we called nine classes in our BRS, rectification of errors. Now we are into the 10th class of this rectification of errors. See, my dear students, this is a question that is being asked in CA Foundation May 2019 for 4 marks. Give the journal entries with narration to rectify the following located in the trader after preparing the trial balance. When these errors are located, you have located the errors after preparing the trial balance. See now, an amount of rupees 4,500 received an account of interest. What you have done? You have received. Received what? Interest. When you received interest, interest is your income. Correct? Income is means credit. But what you have done? You have credited to the commission account. That is what credit? Wrong credit. Now what is the rule of rectification? My dear student, keep the correct in the same place, shift the wrong in the opposite place. When you are keeping correct in the same place, that is nothing but interest account credit. This commission is to be opposite place, commission is to be debited. Interest is to be credited, commission is to be debited. Now what is your journal entry? Now your journal entry will be commission account debit to what account? Interest account. So let us write the first entry, that is commission account debit to interest account. How much amount, my dear students? It is an amount of rupees 4,500. Being wrong credit in commission account is rectified. Fine. Let me move on to the next transaction, my dear student. A sale of rupees, what? A sale of rupees 2,760 was posted to the sales book. Sales book में entry हुआ. To the debit of, क्या किया आपने? Debit of Sobag Traders. Who is Sobag Traders? Sobag Traders is your debtors. When you sold goods to Sobag debtors, debtor will increase. This debtor is to be increased, debited. It is to be debited with how many amount? We have to debit with 2,760 rupees. But you have recorded Sobag Traders as a 2,670. Please, my dear student, have a lot of concentration. This is your correct amount. But you have debited. You have debited with what amount? Take 2,670. ये तो wrong amount. अब क्या हुआ? Instead of recording 2,760, you have recorded 2,670. So it means what? Under debit. Under debit means take it in same side. Take it in what side? Same side. Same side means where we have to take? We have to take it in debit side. With an amount of what? You should not take 2,760. You should not take 2,670. You have to take the difference amount. What is the difference amount between these two? The difference amount between these two is 90 rupees. That is the answer for your BRS. Rectification. I hope you got it right. Instead of recording 2,760, my dear students, you have recorded only 2,670. So you have recorded less amount by 90 rupees. So you have to take that amount of 90 rupees in whose account? In Sobag's account. So Sobag's account is to be debited with 90. So Sobag's account debit 90. Then what to write in a credit side? That is suspense account with an amount of rupees 90. Did you understood? Now your entry will be Sobag's account debit to suspense account. How much amount we have to record? We have to record only 90 rupees. Being under debit in Sobag's account is rectified. I hope मालूम हुआ है ना आप लोगों को. Instead of recording 2760, you have recorded only 2670. It means 90 rupees is under debited. Take it in same side. Fine. Let me move on to the next one. 35,000 paid for purchase of air conditioner for the personal use of the proprietor. You purchased air conditioner for the personal use. Then what is important? Purchase is not important. AC is not important. Then what is important? Personal use. Personal use means what? Drawings. Drawings is to be what? Drawings is the opposite of capital. Capital means credit the increase. Drawings is opposite. Opposite means drawings is to be debited. This is your correct answer. But what you have done? But debited to the machinery account. Machinery account, when you have debited, is it a wrong debit? Now what is your rectified journal entry? We know very well. Keep the correct in the same place. Shift the wrong in the opposite place. When you are shifting wrong in the opposite side, machinery already debited, wrongly debited. See my wordings, catch my wordings. Machinery is wrongly debited. Now what we have to do? We have to take it on the opposite side, credit side. Now what is your entry? Drawings account debit to opposite side, that is machinery account. Machinery account credit. So now drawings account debit to machinery account. I think it is an amount of rupees 35,000, right? Did you understood? Being wrong debit to machinery account is rectified. Let me move on to the last point of this small problem, my dear student. Goods returned by customer. The same has been taken in the stock, but no entry passed in the books. Entry is not at all passed. Now, my dear students, goods returned means sales returns. Sales returns is to be debited, correct. Because sales is a credit. Sales is a credit. See, I am telling you repeatedly. Sales is a credit. Sales returns is the opposite. So, we have to debit the sales returns. When the goods returned by customer, who is customer? Customer is your debtors. When the debtor returned goods back to us, the debtors will comes down. Debtors means asset. When the asset decreases, it is to be credited, correct. I hope are you understanding? Goods returned, sales returns debit, debtor decreases, debtor is to be credited when the goods are returned by debtor. Now, this is not entered, no entry is passed in the books of account. When the no entry is passed, we have to pass the same entry. That is what, my dear students, sales returns account debit. What we have to pass? Sales returns account debit, debtors account credit. Now, the entry for this will be entry number 4. That is sales returns account debit to customers account. Sales returns means return inwards. Customers means trade receivables. Because nowadays in CA valuation, they are expecting return inwards and trade receivables. How much goods are returned, my dear students? It is an amount of rupees 5,000. I hope you understood, right? This is how we have to pass the journal entries. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. We will see you in the next class with the next video. Thank you. Bye. Please give your feedback, your comments, whether you people are understanding or not. I expect that from your side. Thank you. Bye-bye. Namaskar.